The moment you fire up a new game on your phone and get hit with a full-screen video ad is the exact moment the fun dies. It feels like your own device is working against you. Most of us have just accepted this as the price of doing business in the digital age. But it does not have to be that way. There is this clever tool called Blokada that acts like a shield for your entire mobile experience. It is not just some basic browser plugin that only works when you are surfing the web. Instead, it creates a local filter on your phone that intercepts ad requests before they even reach your screen. This is a game changer for anyone who spends time in apps or playing mobile titles. It uses something called network level filtering. Basically, it keeps a massive list of known ad and tracker addresses. When an app tries to call home to grab a banner or a pop-up, the filter steps in and blocks the connection. Because the ad never even starts to download, you are actually saving your battery life and preserving your precious data. It is like your phone is finally breathing a sigh of relief. You will see those empty spaces where ads used to be, and suddenly your favorite websites load twice as fast. The best part for most people is that the core features are totally free and open source. This means the code is public and the community is constantly updating those block lists to stay ahead of the latest tricks. There is no need for complicated technical workarounds or risking your warranty by rooting your phone. You just download the app and toggle a switch. It is that straightforward. For those who want more, there are options to move the processing to the cloud for better speed across multiple devices. You can even opt for a premium service that encrypts your entire connection and hides your location from prying eyes. This is especially useful if you find yourself using public hotspots where security is often an afterthought. Now, it is important to be realistic about how it works. Since it uses your device's internal connection slot, you usually cannot run another separate security tunnel at the same time. Also, every now and then, a specific app might act a little strange because it cannot reach its ad server to function properly. If that happens, you just head into the settings and add that specific app to a whitelist. It is a tiny trade-off for the peace of mind you get everywhere else. The layout of the app is incredibly intuitive and does not feel cluttered with unnecessary buttons. You have the power to customize your experience by picking different blocking lists. Some are designed for extreme privacy, while others are more balanced to ensure things do not break. It is a powerful way to reclaim your phone from the constant barrage of distractions. You paid for your hardware, so you should be the one in charge of what flashes on your screen. Taking back your digital space is easier than you think, and it starts with a simple filter that says no to the noise. If ads have been driving you up the wall lately, this is a solid way to fight back without spending a dime.